steel structure is undoubtedly the wisdom of choice in the field of construction costs, like a smart financial master, to bring a full range of cost optimization programs for construction projects. At the initial stage of a construction project, the cost of steel may be slightly higher than that of traditional building materials, which may make some project parties concerned when making decisions. However, this is only a superficial phenomenon, and its construction speed is so fast that it can complete a large number of structural construction work in a short time. Rapid assembly on site greatly reduces the complexity and uncertainty of site construction. With its efficient construction capacity, steel structure can greatly shorten the construction period, so that the project can be delivered early and produce economic benefits in advance. The direct benefit of fast construction speed and short construction period is to save a lot of labor and mechanical costs.